How to add bank account on Paxful app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add bank account on Paxful. If you want to do it on the application, unfortunately you won't get the option. Now if I open up Paxful here on the application, and if I show it to you here, you can see I'm verified as well. I have verified my account. You can see account status here. Identity verification is complete, but I'm not able to add in my bank account here. Now I'm not getting any option at all. So what you can do is, instead of heading over to the app, you can head over to browser and head into paxful.com, and here you can log into your account. Right, first I'll just log in real quick here. Now unfortunately I'm having some error logging into my account here. I'm not being able to get through the verification, the slide verification. It's a glitch, I guess, for the server itself. But once you're logged in, what you can do is you can hover over to the username at the top right on your web page, and there you should get the option that says bank, and then you can tap on bank and then go ahead and add in your bank accounts there. So first you want to head into the option there on your username at the top. So you want to head over to your username, where you'll get the options such as profile, security, payment methods and such. You want to tap on payment methods and then go ahead and add in your bank account. Hope this helped. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.